In this video, you'll learn how to order a Binance Visa card. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully apply for and activate your card. Start by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the homepage. From there, find and click on the option labeled Card. It is essential to ensure that your account is fully verified, as card availability can vary based on your region. If you have not completed the verification process, you will need to do so before proceeding. Next, you will see the Binance Visa Card section. Here, look for the button or link that says Apply for the Binance Visa. Click on this option to begin your application process. You will be prompted to confirm your personal details, including your name and address, as well as the delivery details for the card. Pay close attention to the eligibility requirements presented, as they will inform you whether you can proceed with the application. After confirming your details, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. This is an important step, as it ensures you understand the implications of using the card. Once you have reviewed and accepted the terms, submit your application for review. At this point, you may see a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that your application has been received. There may be a waiting period for approval, so keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the status of your application. Once your application is approved, you will receive your Binance Visa card. The next step is to activate your card. To do this, open the Binance app on your device. Navigate to the card section within the app, where you will find an option to activate your card. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. If necessary, you can set spending limits during this step, which can help you manage your expenses effectively. The final step involves linking your crypto balance to the card. This process should happen automatically once the card is activated. You can now use your Binance Visa card for purchases wherever Visa is accepted. Remember to monitor your transaction history and ensure you have sufficient funds in your crypto wallet to cover your spending. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.